Okay, now we'll see how to create a Cucumber based UAT. So here we start. I go to one of my folder where I want to create the project. So here is my folder, say data colon FL. Say I make a folder called new folder Cucumber test. Here I go. So this is my folder. I want to create a project here. I go Visual Studio. Good. So what I'll do, I will create a new project here. I keep my path here where I want to create the project. Then I see Visual Studio, other project, and Visual Studio solution. So here I create my solution Cucumber. Okay, so it is going to create a solution. There I go. So I will come to this test explorer later on. So I have a solution here. So what I do, I have to create a new class library by doing this add new project. Let's see my recording is on or not. Yes, so it is recording. Good. I go to Caesar class library. I make a class library here. But I create a test project, Visual Studio test project, that is much better. I create a unit test project. Unit test UAT. Okay. See, this is a unit test project. So I click OK. Well, so I have my Visual Studio unit test project created. I built the project, and this file I don't want, so I delete it. Okay, so the project is deleted. Now what I'll do here, okay, so you have to first install the Cucumber if it is not there. So what I can do is we go here, we do add manage NuGet project. See, we are here at the NuGet.org. I cancel this, and here I write spec flow. Okay, enter. Not found, of course not, it is not here, it is here. Oh, it came, good. So I install this spec flow. See, it is coming here, all three things came. I install spec flow init and init. Okay, okay, I also need spec flow and unit runner. So let's see where it is. Spec flow, spec run for spec flow, this is I need. Spec run for spec flow, this. Okay, we install this one. So what we have spec flow, we have a unit test, so that we can write our unit test cases, and we have the latest version of the unit test runner. So I close this, I build the solution. It's building nice. Okay, so here we have a unit test project. I create a feature here using Cucumber. So what I'll do, add new item. I get a spec flow feature file. So here we need to write all the features that we want. So our example is today rent an apartment. Rent an apartment. Okay. See, this feature file has created. So we will create unit test case from this. So what I'll do, I delete all these three lines. So these are the normal thing. Rent an apartment in Berlin. Okay, I don't need this. Okay, here is my scenario. What is my scenario? My scenario is this is just a textual rent an apartment in Berlin, Germany. Good. So given. So these are the conditions given and when, then you can have multiple and. So let's see. I'm creating a scenario here. Okay, I have 10,000 euro in pocket as of now. Good. I have to pay 500 euro as security deposit to the landlord. Good. So these are the conditions given. I have 1,000 euro in pocket as of now and I have to pay. Okay, I do it another end. I have to pay 500 euro as advance rent. Then I get the key. Simple. I build it. Wow. I have not done the unit test provider. I have not created a unit test provider. Okay. Let's go here. Where's the config file? Here. Unit test provider is not there. Wow. Let's see. Manage NuGet project. Spec flow in unit. Wow. What happened? No item spawn. Okay. We'll see what is the problem later on. There's something. Unit test case is not written here. Okay. Wow. See. Generate step definition. So these are the file it creates. Rent an apartment in Berlin. Steps generate. Save this. Okay. So this file steps unit test cases have been created. I build the solution. Wow, we have to solve this problem. Unit test provider. Okay. Why it is? Let's see what it is saying. Hmm. So it's my German keyboard, so I find it little difficult. Create the bracket. Okay. You will see what I'm doing here. It's very funny. only once. Unit test appears only once. The element unit test provider may only appear only once. Why it is coming multiple times? Some problem. Okay, let's see where it is. How many times? Oops. App config and here. App config. Oops. Here. We had both the unit test cases. Spec run and this. I need to delete this one. That was the mistake. This one. I stop it. Here we go. Yes, definitely change it. We build the solution and it will pass now. I build it. Bingo. So here it built. Okay. Now we go to our solution. No, not this is one. These are the steps. Remember, we create this unit test cases. Okay. Can we run this? So how to run this? We can go to the feature and then simply run. No, run spec flow scenario. Okay, see it is running, but we don't see the window. So what we'll do, we go to the tools, test tools. We go to the window, go to the test explorer. So what we see? Wow, bingo. See, this we created. Rent an apartment in Berlin DE. Run the test case. It is running. Yeah, it is running. Unit test cases. Wow, it passed. Execution. Oops. What it says? One or more step definition are not implemented yet. Wow. So what we do? We go to the steps here. You see what I did. Scenario content current pending. All pending, pending, pending. So if you keep it pending, you are going to get this error. So it is a warning. You have done nothing. So stop this line. Stop this line. Stop this line. And I also stop this line. I build the solution. Now I run. Ping. Wow, it's still building. Okay. Run. Wow, it passed. Great. Our scenario got all passed. So what I did, this method have been auto generated given I have euro in pocket, given I have to pay house rent, this is the rent, this is the deposit, then I get the key. So these are the conditions. See, given, then. So the conditions are here. I have only 1,000 euro. I have to pay 500 euro to the landlord. Here 500 comes. I have to give 500 euro as advance rent, and then I get the key. So it is looks like a normal unit test case scenario, like how you write a unit case, VSTS test case, or any other test cases. So here you can write your own logic by doing this assert. Wow, you don't get anything. So here we go. Click here. I use n unit framework. Great. Then here we go. Are equal 1 equal to 1, and bingo. Will pass. See, 1 is not equal to 1, right? 1 is not equal to 11. 1 is definitely not equal to 11. We run it. It should fail. Oops. Yes, expected 1, but it was 11. So after I pay the rent with deposit, then I have 0 rupees in my pocket. This is my past condition. Okay. I run it once more. Oops, all pass. Great. So here you can write any kind of logic. So these are the place you should write your own logic. That's all. You can also come here in the feature, right click here, run the scripts. So it will run the unit test case again. Okay. So this is the normal, very basic way of writing Cucumber unit test cases. The great thing is you write the scenario here and you get your unit test cases written automatically. Okay. Thank you. I will come up with some new solution. If you want to use more in NuGet, there is a tool here. You can go tools, your NuGet package manager, and then go to this manage NuGet package for the solution, and you can search and here whatever you want to write, like spec flow unit, whatever, and of course it is from here. Then you are going to have all the package you have, then you can install. Thank you. Oops, it doesn't allow me to stop.